Dear readers, welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. Sentence stems for those who want them. One historical event, give the historical date and who was involved and what they did, and one event from your book. How are you? Take 3 breaths, in with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite. Do you remember seeing timelines? Chunk. Here is an example from Hidden Figures. There are historical events. 1903, Wright brothers make the first powered flight. And book events. 1943, Dorothy Vaughan starts working at NACA, where she stays until 1971. Chew on it. Figure out what time period your book takes place during: Vietnam War, segregation, 1980s, and 2, read about the time period. Click on this link, document, as a starting point to build your knowledge and interest around topics. Scroll the whole document to get an overview. The time period's events are on the right side. Read as much as you can and try for 20 minutes for today and come back to it Friday and read another hour. Readers, the more we know about the historical context, the more our books will make sense. And to review, take notes and respond in the discussion to the highlighted prompts below. One historical event, give the historical date and who was involved and what they did. One event from your book. Okay, my example. So I went and found this. All right, in the document. Okay. You can see the time period, multiple time periods: Indian Removal Act of 1830, Gold Rush, the Gilded Age, slavery, slavery and Revolutionary War, post-Civil War Reconstruction, Jim Crow era, Great Depression, World War II. All right. Japanese internment camps, British children relocated to country in Dunkirk, British occupation of India, Holocaust, Code Talkers, U.S. women pilots, Joseph Stalin and USSR, French resistance, Dutch resistance, Cold War, Cuban Missile Crisis, Civil Rights Movement, sit-in, civil disobedience, peaceful protest, Vietnam, 1955 to 1975. I noticed Ho Chi Minh Trail. (1965), the Ho Chi Minh Trail was a military supply route running from North Vietnam through Laos and Cambodia to South Vietnam. The route sent weapons, manpower, ammunition, and other supplies from communist-led North Vietnam to their supporters in South Vietnam during the Vietnam War. So here it is, 1965, the Ho Chi Minh Trail is a military supply route. And then in the book, 1975, start of book, Inside Out and Back Again, we meet Ha and her family, who are struggling to make money to support the family. Remember to give the book title. Optional bonus round is to include 3+ examples of historical events and events in the book. Remember to give the book title. Thank you, readers. Dr. Stacker. Thank you.